Welcome to this visualization meditation. I'm your guide, Sophie. Today we will start with a deep relaxation to drop into your body and find a very relaxed state, followed by a guided visualization. At the end of the session, I will invite you to journal or reflect on your insights if you want to. To prepare, you might want to have a journal and a pen next to you. As we begin, keep in mind that there is no right or wrong way to visualize. So let go of any expectations and allow whatever comes to come. You might see clear images, or you might just have some ideas of colors, feelings, and thoughts that pop through. Remember, meditating is about being present and allowing those thoughts, images, ideas, and feelings to come and go without judgment or attachment. So as you settle in, get comfortable and choose a specific month and year or an age that you want more clarity on. This could be a time within the next month or as far out as 10 years. Decide if you want to focus on a work-related or personal aspect of your life. Feel free to pause this recording if you need extra time to decide on the time period and aspect of your life you want to focus on. Now that you're ready, gently close your eyes and let's begin. Your life vision is who you want to become and the lifestyle you desire. It's the life that will bring you joy and fulfillment. It's the life that will make you want to get out of bed every morning, excited to start your day. Imagining your desired lifestyle should create excitement, make you smile, and even give you goosebumps as you imagine it becoming true. It can be as eccentric and as beautiful as you allow your mind to wander. When you consciously align your choices with your life vision and your desired lifestyle, you feel a profound sense of meaning. Decisions are easy to make and you feel on track and in control. You're living your life in a way that feels good. You are true to yourself and you are on your way to a truly successful life. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the air coming in, swirling into your lungs, and flowing out again. Just observe your breathing for a few rounds without forcing anything. Breath in and breath out. And take a few more rounds on your own. Now bring your awareness to your chest and your belly, rising as you inhale and falling as you exhale. Notice if your inhale is longer, or perhaps it's your exhale. Notice how the air coming out is warmer than the air coming in. On the next inhale, take your biggest breath in yet. And if you want, exhale with a sigh. If it felt good, take another deep breath and exhale with a sigh again. Now breathe in whatever way feels most comfortable and natural to you. Allow your breath to find its own rhythm. If at any point your attention drifts to thoughts or noises in the room, gently bring it back to the sound of my voice. Continue to breathe, and with each inhale, invite creativity and clarity And with each exhale, releasing any tension, allowing your body to relax more deeply. Breathe in clarity and creativity, and breathe out tension and anything that doesn't serve you. Take a moment to notice and enjoy this feeling of relaxation, allowing yourself to be fully present in this precious moment. Maybe bring a gentle smile to your face. Now imagine walking through a cinema. Perhaps you can even smell the popcorn. And you might even be able to see the decor and people around you. You approach the ticket counter and receive your ticket. As you look at the title, you notice that they're showing a film about your life. Examine the ticket, noting that the title includes your name and the time of your life they will be presenting. What is the title of that movie? Make your way to your seat now. As you settle into your comfortable chair, take a deep breath and prepare yourself to watch the movie of your future self. The lights dim now, and the screen in front of you comes to life. The film begins, and you see yourself in the future, living a moment in the life you desire. Take some time to observe the scene, your surroundings, what you are doing, and the people around you. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? What are you discussing if you are talking? Pause the movie now. Look at yourself and your facial expression. Take it all in. Now the movie shows a new scene where you can see your future self doing something that brings them joy. Take some time to soak it all in. The movie shows a new scene now as they approach your home. Take some time to look around. Explore your ideal home. Now the movie will show you a variety of scenes of yourself engaging in different activities. I will be silent for a while now. Just observe what comes up on the screen. What is different in this future version of your life? How is your life better? How are you a happier, healthier version of yourself? Now picture the movie pausing and your future self looking at you through the screen, smiling at you. Picture them jumping out of the screen and coming to sit next to you. They want to support you. They're smiling at you. They know about your worries, your doubts, and your fears. They've been there. They've faced these same challenges and overcome them. Take a moment to visualize them clearly. What do they look like up close? You might feel like smiling back or even giving them a hug. Allow yourself some time to truly feel and experience this moment. Ask them, what truly matters to you now? Now ask them, what's changed about how you look after yourself? Now ask them, what important message or advice do you have for me? What else do you want to ask them? It's time to say goodbye. Thank you, future self, and watch as they climb back into the screen and the movie ends now. The lights are switched back on in the cinema. Keeping your eyes closed, have a stretch, take a big breath in, and imagine yourself walking out of the cinema. So breathing deeper now, reconnecting with your body and the room around you. Maybe wriggling your toes and your fingers. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. In your own time, take a few deep breaths. Perhaps have a stretch. Take a sip of water. And when you're ready, grab your journal and write about your experience and the insights that came up for you. Thank you for meditating with me today. I hope this session was nourishing and brought you a lot of clarity. Revisit this practice anytime you need to find calm and insight. Have a wonderful rest of your day.